Welcome to our video on understanding the W-8BEN form, especially if you're dealing with non-US bank accounts. In this video, we'll go through what is a W-8BEN form, why it is required, whether you need to worry or not, the information needed to fill it out, and some additional tips and advice. Let's start with what is a W-8BEN form. It's a tax form that is used by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, to identify foreign individuals who are receiving income from U.S. sources. It confirms that the account holder is not a U.S. citizen or a resident alien and helps determine their tax liability. The form is associated with income, but even accounts without immediate income can require this form. Why would a bank request this form, especially from a tourist on a B-2 visa? U.S. banks are legally obligated to comply with tax reporting rules. Even if you haven't yet received any income from your account, opening it activates certain requirements. The bank needs to collect information to identify beneficial owners and help prevent tax evasion. This is a standard process for non-residents, regardless of the intended purpose of the account. Quiz time. What is the primary purpose of a W-8BEN form? Is it A, to show residency status, B, to determine tax liability, C, to register a new business, or D, to confirm a social security number? Pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to determine tax liability. The main goal of the W-8BEN form is to help determine the tax liability of foreign individuals receiving income from U.S. sources. Do you need to be concerned about filling out the form? No, the request to fill out a W-8BEN isn't necessarily cause for alarm. It's a routine procedure for non-U.S. citizens. Opened accounts. However, failing to provide the form could result in consequences, including limitations on your account access or even its closure, and could lead to increased withholding tax on any earnings from the account. The form helps ensure you're correctly classified for tax purposes. What information is required to fill out this form? Generally, you will need to provide your personal details like your name and address, your taxpayer identification number, if applicable, and your citizenship status. It is important to accurately and honestly complete all sections of the form, as inaccurate information will lead to complications. Now let's summarize with some additional tips and advice. Keep records of all your banking documents as they will be needed if any complications arise. Contact your bank directly if you have any uncertainties regarding the W-8BEN form. They can offer more specific guidance. It's advisable to consult a tax professional if you're still unsure about your obligations or have complex financial situations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments.